Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As per this video, I'm going to teach you members how to download your Mendely, install it, and then you can also reset your password. And then in the next video, you shall see how we can use Mendely to cite and give deep references. For this, you can either go to your Google Chrome, or you come with this search, and then you search for taking its time. You can search for Mendely. Mendely desktop. One 1.19.8 Windows. I think we shall use the Google Chrome. We have it here. Then we download. After downloading, it's going to bring you this is the one you have downloaded. It's going to come in this format, and then here you enter your what email. Case in point, my email is this. And then they say continue. Like this one, they want you to register your Mendely, and then your given name. Mine, I will be having Oliver, and then the family name, I'll be having Lamaka. And then they also require you to write your password, and my password at it's a strong, it requires you to give a strong password. Then here, register. You see, after writing that strong password, it will give you register. This is now installing your setting, adding your account to Mendely. You see here now, you see you have downloaded, installed, and it has opened your Mendely here. So this is how you can install your Mendely, how you can download, install your Mendely. And you can also when you've forgotten with your with your with your, like if you've forgotten with your account, you can also reset. And can reset. And this is going to take us where this is going to start from. And we'll close this browser. So that's basically how you can like install and download, install and add your account to Mendely. You can also be able to like create groups. Yes, also how you can create groups when you want to share things here. So basically that's how you can download, and that's how you can download and then open your account. See you in the next video. That's how we shall go with citing and giving references, like relating Mendely to words. Bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.